Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Sleep Number account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in sleepnumber.com, press enter. Now you will be led to the official website of Sleep Number. So if you want to sign up for your account, what you have to do is click on the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, sign in, sign up. Simply click on the option sign up. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. You'll be able to sign up for your account from here. All you have to do is fill in these informations. Simply enter your first name, last name, email and create a password for yourself. Click on the field of first name. Now enter the first name. Similarly, enter your last name. Now enter your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you enter the email address, create a password for yourself. Your password should not contain any spaces. Your password should have 8 characters minimum. It must contain at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, one special character, and you cannot use your email address, so simply create a password for yourself. Now after you enter your password, click on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. Simply follow through the prompts and your account will easily be created. Right now there is unusual traffic, that's why my account is not being created. But after you follow all these steps, your account will definitely be created. So that is how you create Sleep Number account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.